Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix error 1068. The dependency service or group failed to start on Windows. Let's get right into it. First, open the search bar and type CMD. When you see command prompt, right-click it and select Run as administrator. Now, go to the video description and copy the command you'll find there. Paste it into command prompt and press Enter. The command is ipconfig/flushdns. Once it finishes running, you can close the command prompt window. Next, go to the Start icon and right-click on it. From the menu, choose Run. In the Run box, type msconfig and press Enter. In the System Configuration window, make sure that Normal Startup is checked. After that, click OK and restart your PC. And that's it. The problem should now be fixed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more quick Windows fixes.